All right, so the question is, what is this plus c? The plus c, remember, is any constant. And when you're talking about adding any constant, you are really looking at shifting the graph up or down. And the thing is that to solve for this plus c, you actually need more information. We need something known as an initial condition. And that initial condition is going to be information about the original function. So we need, for example, like f of 0 is equal to 3, and then we will be able to solve for the plus c. Okay, so again, the plus c is going to shift our graph. The way we're going to solve for it is using what we call an initial condition. Now, the second thing that we need to clear up is that when we're talking about integration, that again is the opposite of differentiation. And because it is an opposite process of differentiation, if you think about it, like multiplication and division are opposites of each other. And when you take like 3 times x over 3, they cross out. That multiplication and division cross out. So if you have an integral, and again, this integral sign is attached with this dx. So if the integral sign is lost, the dx is also lost. So you have an integral and you have a derivative. Okay, and those integral and derivative are opposites of each other. So because they're opposites of each other, they are going to cancel each other out. So if the integral cancels with this derivative, what you're going to be left with is just little f of x plus c. Okay, so the whole idea with integration being an opposite of differentiation is that if you have an integral of f prime of x dx, if you integrate the derivative, you are just going to get f of x plus c. Okay, now of course, if you have a second derivative, it's not like everything's going to cross out there. Just one derivative is going to cross out with the integral, and you'll be left with f prime of x plus c. Okay, so we're going to use this fact that integration is an opposite process of differentiation, to find that original function.